Hello and welcome to the next screencast about the DIGITRANS.me e-learning platform. Because a huge part of the content on this site is based on the DIGITRANS method, I will show you now how you can learn and use this method with the help of the platform. In this video, we will focus on two of the three main phases, innovation and transformation, which can be found here on the left-hand side. We will start with the innovation phase, which you can already see on the screen. The goal of this phase is to support your analysis of the current situation of your enterprise and create ideas and prototypes for your new business. The innovation phase itself is again divided into sub-phases, which are represented by the different colored tiles at the bottom of this page. The first tile represents the sub-phase, and each subphase is again separated in different steps. At the end of each subphase there is a quiz where you can test your gained knowledge all by yourself. More information about the quizzes is given later in this video. The text above the tiles shows information for your currently chosen content. Therefore, in the moment we see information about the innovation phase itself. But when I click on the tile, this text will change. Clicking the tile also opens the Tools and Method overview on the right hand side, which shows all the tools which belong to the chosen step or subphase. The tools itself are ordered according to the usage in the method, but can be ordered by name if we click on by name, and clicking on Show All shows all the tools which are used in the innovation phase. If you click on one of the tools, you come to its unit page. A unit gives you an overview about the method and describes how you can use it in a workshop. In the middle, you find a graphical representation of this tool. In our case, we see a picture of a business model canvas. On the right hand side, you find the favorite and read later button, which are only visible if you're logged into the platform, and will add this specific unit to its corresponding area in your personalized dashboard. More information about how you register, you log in, or the personalized dashboard will be given in different screencasts. The rest of the stats gives you a quick overview about the tool itself, for example, how long you should use it, how difficult it is, or which templates you can use. Underneath the picture in the middle, you find the description of the tool itself, and often links to further readings are given. The arrows on the bottom let you jump to the previous or to the next unit. So this layout of the units, which are introduced to you now, is used in all units of the innovation phase. Now we come to the transformation phase, which is the second main phase of the method, and the goal here is to implement the ideas and prototypes from the innovation phase. The transformation phase itself is again structured in different steps, which can be seen here in the tiles below on the first tile or on the rectangles above. Clicking on the rectangle will change the description text and also only show the units belonging to this step. Clicking on the first tile of a step again changes the description like in the innovation phase. Clicking on a tile in a step will bring you to its unit. The units here are very similar to the ones in the innovation phase. The difference is that the stats have other values. For example, you here have a suggested reading time. Going back to the overview, I will now go more into detail into the quizzes. Clicking on a yellow tile brings you to the quiz of this step or phase. The structure of a quiz is the same for the whole platform. You have a question, you have answers, you have the amount of correct answers. You can choose an answer by clicking on it, and if you click on evaluate, you see the right answers in green and also your chosen answers. If you are logged into the platform, your answers will also be saved to the dashboard. These were the two main phases of the method. Now I want to show you the templates page where you can find all the tool templates in one place. The color of the tile represents the phase or steps they are belonging to, and each of the templates is available in PDF, and some of them are also available in Microsoft Publisher, which then can be added later by you. An example for such a template can be seen now. They have all a similar structure, where on the left hand side you have the description, and in the middle you have the template itself, which must be filled out during your workshop. This was the content of this video, so I showed you how you can handle the DIGITRANS method by using the DIGITRANS.me online platform. Thank you and goodbye.